Zap it mate, Zap crafter, Zap mga kausok, lahat na kayong mga nagba-barbecue. And so we have Asador Pit 120. It's a round grill, but it's not just an ordinary grill. It's an Asador style cooking. No? So adding flair doon sa inyong mga events. So let me just discuss a few features of this grill and before we deliver it. No? Well, anyway, ang main feature talaga ng grill na to is it's adding flair. No? It's adding flair to your events, no, or your places, no. All right. First up, we have a churrasco skewer. This one that you can take it off. If you have a picanha, you can place it here. Ayan. And then ibababa taas ito. Ayan. So it depends on how low you want the picanha or how near you want it from the ember. Ayan. Diyan siya, no. And then you can turn yung inyong skewer. Ayan. Then we also have a griddle, a flat griddle. Itong flat griddle na to, you can throw in yung mga vegetables ninyo, fruits, or any side dishes na makapal siya. Kayang-kaya niya yung init na yan. And then we also have a bird cage. Hindi natin na-explain kanina. We also have a bird cage wherein you can put your turkey, your chicken, or even vegetables and fruits na you just want to roast, no, while grilling. And then meron tayo itong na titilt na pwede nyo lagyan ng cochinillo or big piece of meat. And then, may gagalaw nyo yung layo at lapit niya sa apoy. And you also have S-hooks. You can hang yung inyong mga fruits and vegetables, sausages, and doon sa taas. It's up to you how you want to play with it. And then we also have a grill. Itong grill na to is also made with the same thickness ng ating flat griddle, so it can handle mga tomahawk steak, ribeye steak, even yung mga malalaking cut ng meat. And then we also have a pot or casserole holder. Yeah, so using also the fire, so you just move around the embers papunta sa ilalim, and you can stew some meat or anyway on whatever you want to cook over live fire. Then we have a butcher block with our logo, Barrel Pro Let's Chill and Grill. It's a bit huge, no? Medyo malaki siya. Ayan. Ayan. And then, right after grilling, kunin mo yung meat, and then you can slice your meat here, and then serve it to your guest. Ayan. Or, meron din siyang kasaming additional kasi na dalawang table wherein he can lay down all his main course plates, and then just get the meat, slice them up, and then plate it or do the plating doon sa kanyang table. Nadigulong yun, no? May tutulak niya. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much. Everything is detachable nga pala. So if you want to travel and you want to bring it on outdoor catering, outside catering, you can dismantle this and then just assemble it kung saan kayo magse-set up. And head turner siya. Now, this will surely add flair doon sa mga event na pinaplano ninyo. Now, if you want to learn more about our products, please visit thebarrelpro.com or Barrel Pro page at Barrel Pro PH. And Jem and Jeline, our team, will be more than willing and happy to answer all your queries and build your own grill or smokers or dream builds. All right, thank you very much for watching, and smoke on.